Come join us on Sunday the 6th of November on our very own cricket green for a private event for Repton Park residents, friends and family, where we will be hosting a spectacular firework and laser display with music, hot food, sweets, tea, coffee, beer, bubbly and even a children's entertainer for the young ones. Please support our community and the RPRA who are working hard to host this event for you. We will be releasing tickets soon. Please don't miss out, there are limited amounts.